Welcome back to Moto Motor Rides, your ultimate destination for powerful machines, from two wheels to fighter wings. Today, we dive deep into the futuristic world of India's unmanned aerial warfare, the 2025 CATS Warrior and the Ghatak Stealth UCAV. These aren't just drones, they are next-gen combat enablers shaping the Indian Air Force's future in the era of AI and autonomous warfare. Developed by HAL in collaboration with DRDO and private startups, the CATS Warrior is India's answer to the world of loyal Wingman drones. Designed to fly alongside manned jets like the Tejas or Su-30 MKI, this unmanned aerial vehicle will act as a force multiplier in air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. It carries sensors, jamming pods, and weapon payloads while maintaining stealth capabilities. With a range of over 700 kilometers, the Warrior can even perform suicide missions if required, without risking a pilot's life. Its AI brain enables semi-autonomous operation, receiving real-time instructions from the mother jet or ground control. If CATS Warrior is the visible wingman, Ghatak is the silent assassin. A fully autonomous stealth UCAV, Ghatak, also known as Aura, is being developed for deep strike missions into enemy territory. With a flying wing design similar to the US B-2 Spirit and the Russian Okhotnik B, the Ghatak uses a dry cavalry engine, optimized for low-infrared signature. Armed with precision-guided munitions and potentially cruise missiles, it's designed to pierce through heavily defended airspace, destroying radars, SAMs, and high-value targets without detection. The drone's combat radius may reach 1,000 plus kilometers, making it a strategic asset for India. Both the Warrior and Ghatak are designed with future integration in mind. The AMCA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, India's upcoming 5th-gen stealth fighter, will likely command a fleet of Warrior drones in network-centric warfare. These unmanned systems can act as decoys, electronic warfare platforms, or even as kamikaze strikers. India is pushing forward with indigenous AI, swarm coordination, and satellite-linked technologies to ensure that these systems operate with minimal human intervention but maximum precision. With rising regional tensions and rapidly evolving threats, India can no longer rely solely on traditional manned fighters. CATS Warrior and Ghatak symbolize a bold shift, from manned dominance to autonomous support and stealth supremacy. These systems reduce pilot risk, multiply firepower, and enhance India's strategic depth across land and sea. Moreover, indigenous development ensures self-reliance under the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. The future battlefield is unmanned, AI-driven, and lethal, and India is getting ready to dominate it. That's a wrap on today's deep dive into the 2025 CATS Warrior and Ghatak UCAV. At Moto Motor Rides, we don't just explore the road, we conquer the skies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.